Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Super Mario on piano easy, slow, only way. Start by finding middle C and sit with relaxed posture, placing your right hand over the melody notes. Use simple quarter notes and keep tempo steady to learn each phrase. Focus on accurate rhythm before adding any left hand. Practice small sections for 5 minutes, then connect them slowly until the whole theme flows comfortably and confidently. In this video, I will show how to play Super Mario on piano easy, slow, only way. Break the theme into short motifs and play each with the right hand until comfortable. Hum the melody while tapping the rhythm to lock timing in your head. Add the left hand later using simple root notes to support the melody. Keep practice sessions brief and focused, repeating treble spots slowly so your fingers learn without tension and mistakes become fewer. In this video, I will show how to play Super Mario on piano easy, slow, only way. Quick recommendation: if you like tidy practice setups, consider leak-proof meal prep containers to keep snacks and spills away from your sheet music. They make practice breaks simple and cleanup effortless, which helps maintain focus and time for practice. If you want the same containers, check the description for the link and other deals. And if this is helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to play Super Mario on piano easy, slow, only way. Start left hand with single bass notes on beats 1 and 3 to anchor the harmony without over-demanding coordination. Once comfortable, add simple intervals like fifths to enrich the sound while keeping rhythm steady. Practice slowly and sync hands by playing just 2 bars until they match. Gradual build-up avoids overwhelm and helps you maintain a warm musical flow as the piece grows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.